Lavender tea compress. Lavender can also be made into a compress and applied to the neck or forehead to enhance your relaxation. Ingredients: 1 tuft lavender flowers, 1 cup boiling water, 1 hand towel. Instructions: cover the lavender flowers with the boiling water. Strain the liquid and soak the hand towel in it. Wring out and apply warm or cool as desired to affected region. Stress-less tea. Ingredients: 1 chamomile flowers, ½ teaspoon lemon basil leaf, 1/4 teaspoon rose petals, 1/8 teaspoon orange peel, 1 cup boiling water. Instructions: blend all ingredients together. Cover with boiling water. Cover and let steep 20 minutes. Strain the herbs from the tea and drink warm or cold. I recommend drinking 3 to 4 cups daily when you're feeling stressed. Note: did you notice how this tea uses 2 nervous system boosting herbs, chamomile and basil, together? You can combine herbs that work on one system of the body to achieve a greater effect. The 1-hour stress buster. Eleutherococcus senticosus, called eleuthero for short, is also known as Siberian ginseng. Recently, there's been a resurgence in its use as a stress buster formula. When you're under a lot of stress, large amounts of cortisol are produced by your adrenal glands. This is a normal response as your body tries to adapt to stress. However, if the stress continues for hours or days, high levels of cortisol can build up and damage the body. High cortisol is linked to the storage of abdominal fat, and the chemical processes that your body undergoes in the presence of cortisol can make it hard to get rid of this extra roll of fat. Eleuthero is an adaptogen, a type of herb that allows the body to come back to normal functioning. For example, an adaptogen that reads high cortisol in the body will help bring the cortisol levels down to normal. And research shows that eleuthero is quite good at this. Levels of cortisol drop substantially within an hour. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon eleuthero, 1 cup boiling water. Instructions: place the eleuthero in a coffee cup and add boiling water. Cover the cup with a plate and let steep for 5 minutes. Strain and drink the tea warm. Pay attention to how you feel in an hour. You might be surprised. Aromatherapy for lifting your mood. Ingredients: 1 chai tea blend, 2 cuts water. Instructions: in a large pot, add chai tea to water. Simmer for a few hours. The simmering will release the volatile oils and fragrances into the air, and you'll notice a big difference in how you feel within minutes. You can add additional water to the pot and keep the good feelings flowing all day long. However, be careful that the water doesn't all boil off, as the herbs will burn in the pot. Massage for stress headaches. Massage may also help when it comes to stress headaches. According to many research studies on massage therapy, the benefits are practically endless. Massage stimulates the circulation and lymphatic flow, relaxes us, helps us sleep better, and strengthens the immune system. Raindrop massage technique. One massage therapy technique called the raindrop technique uses more types of essential oils on the body, including peppermint, basil, lavender, spruce, blue tansy, rosewood, spruce, frankincense, wintergreen, marjoram, and balsam. Each essential oil has its own healing properties. General nutrition. If you have stress headaches, I would encourage the use of foods and herbs that are rich in calcium, magnesium, and B vitamins. Good foods for these nutrients include raspberry leaf, nettle, whole grains, and a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables, especially the deep green leafy veggies. Migraine headaches. Migraines are different from regular headaches in that they're often long-lasting, very intense, and one-sided. They can be associated with menses. Nausea and vomiting may also occur. The pain from a migraine can be throbbing or constant. Migraines sometimes run in families, so if one of your parents gets them, you may too. Food allergies or specific foods such as processed meats, red wine, chocolate, and some cheeses are common triggers for migraines. Try to identify which foods might be triggers for your headaches. The most important step in prevention is to give these headaches some deep thought. What are the underlying imbalances, such as hormonal issues, that may need to be addressed? When you know the answer, you can decide appropriately what to do. Pay attention to what brings your migraines on and talk to a doctor about it, and you might discover certain triggers. Research has shown that 500 milligrams magnesium is pretty effective in preventing migraines, and taking 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C sometimes helps when taken immediately after the headache starts. When it comes to herbal medicine, cold compresses of peppermint tea sometimes help. Dandelion leaf may be the herb of choice if you have migraines with fluid retention or edema. The dandelion leaf relieves the fluid retention and may help if the migraines are related to menses. Similarly, evening primrose, black currant seed, or borage seed oils may help if taken on a regular basis when menses are involved. Migraine headache reliever. The following remedy is one of my favorites and works very well for my family. Ingredients: 1 cutunt boiling water, 1 cup chamomile flowers, 2 soft hand towels. Instructions: cover chamomile flowers with boiling water. Cover and steep for 20 minutes. Strain out the flowers. Have the headache sufferer lie face down on a comfortable surface in a darkened, quiet area. Dip 1 towel into the chamomile infusion and place it on the back of the sufferer's neck and shoulders. Lay the dry towel over the moist one. Encourage the person to take slow, deep breaths or perform progressive muscle relaxation while lying with the compress. Note: progressive muscle relaxation involves tightening a muscle in the body, then willfully relaxing it before moving on to the next muscle. For example, you begin by squeezing your toe muscles, then relaxing them. Next, squeeze your foot muscles and relax them. Work your way all the way up to the neck, face, and head. Sinus headaches. Sinus headaches are characterized by nasal stuffiness and a runny nose. Your sinuses are part of your respiratory tract and are considered by many to be part of your nervous system too, since they're so close to your brain. You may experience tenderness in the sinus region or face, as well as earache and frontal headache. People with sinus headaches are likely to have a history of allergies. Sinus headaches are often seasonal in nature. Try to determine the source of these headaches. Is it because of an infection? If so, your immune system is also involved, and you may need to speak to a healthcare professional. Consider if the headaches are related to any food or environmental allergies that you may have. An elimination diet or rotation diet may be needed to determine whether you have food allergies. If the cause is pollen, drink a standard infusion of nettle tea 3 times daily for 3 months prior to when the allergic reactions generally occur. The supplement called CoQ10 may also be taken daily and may be helpful with allergies. Consuming local honey or bee pollen regularly and eating a healthy, balanced Mediterranean diet may also help. For acute episodes, an aromatherapy diffuser with eucalyptus oil could ease your pain. To use this method, just get out your diffuser, add a few drops of eucalyptus oil, and use the diffuser as you normally would. Goldenrod standard infusion to relieve sinus headache. My favorite herb for relief of sinus headaches is goldenrod. Many people think that goldenrod causes hay fever, which results in sinus headaches, but it doesn't. The culprit is actually ragweed, which peaks at the same time that the goldenrod is blooming. Be sure to see a healthcare practitioner if you suspect a sinus infection. I make this standard infusion and drink 3 to 4 cups hot every day that I have a sinus headache. It works extremely fast and well. Ingredients: 1 cup boiling water, 1 teaspoon goldenrod, dried. Instructions: pour boiling water over goldenrod. Cover and let sit 20 minutes. Strain out the herbs. Drink the tea hot. Rejuvenate, revitalize, and refresh your body. Busy people sometimes turn to caffeine for a pick-me-up. Next time you're feeling a bit sluggish, rather than purchasing an unhealthy commercial product, you can try this natural caffeinated beverage. It has the health benefits of black and green teas, as well as vitamin C and bioflavonoids. For a variation, you can add carbonated water to this tea. It makes a nice punch, and I like to serve it when entertaining. Guests feel at their mental best. Energizing tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon or tea bag of black tea, 1 teaspoon or tea bag green tea, 1 teaspoon hibiscus sabdorifa flower called sorrel when used as a beverage, 3 teaspoons peppermint, 2 tangerines, 1-inch piece fresh peeled ginger root, crushed, 1 quantum boiling water, honey to taste. Instructions: place the teas, hibiscus, peppermint, crushed ginger root, and zest of 1 tangerine into a large beverage container. Cover with boiling water. Cover and let sit for 20 minutes. Strain the solids from the tea. Juice the tangerines and add the juice to the container. Add ice and honey to taste. Make 6 servings. Note, a study in 2008 by the USDA showed that daily consumption of 3 cups of hibiscus tea lowered systolic blood pressure by 8 to 13 mmHg. The higher the subject's blood pressure was at the beginning of the study, the greater the response to the tea. Next video, we'll talk about insomnia and recipes for nervous system health. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click to subscribe. Your support is my greatest motivation for creation.